Everybody, in this video I will be showing you how to apply for the Rocket Rabbit airdrop. And so all you have to do is that you should have a Rocket Rabbit application in your mobile phone. Once you do it, just open it up. So Rocket Rabbit airdrop is already been launched. So if you have played the game total in your Telegram wallet, so you will see the Rocket Rabbit airdrop over here on the main page. So for me, I wasn't a very online player and active player on the Rocket Rabbit. So all of my Rabbit points got burned. But if you were lucky enough, your point might be converted into tokens. So once they are converted into tokens, all you have to do is to go to the wallet option on the top bottom right corner. So once you go to it, all you have to do is to go and tap on the withdraw option. So here you will see the wrap Bitcoin option. Just tap on it. What if you do have the Rabbit Rocket token? So just tap on it and you will be directed with the address and a memo option. So all you have to do is to paste it in the wallet that you want to send it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.